Hello, Soraya Cater here with Remax Real Estate Center, and I am so excited to introduce you to my latest listing located at 80 Old Country Drive, Unit 30. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a single-car garage is located in the perfect location of Kitchener, being close to all your amenities including schools, parks, shopping, short drive to the expressway, and more. Follow me and see all the reasons why this would be the perfect home for you. Your large living room with high ceilings walks out to your private balcony and an additional walkout from your rec room to your fully fenced patio. The beautiful kitchen is complemented with quartz countertops, ample storage, and stainless appliances. Thank you for taking the tour with me today of this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home located in the beautiful city of Kitchener. For more information, call me anytime. Soraya Cater, and I'm here to move you in the right direction.